what prompted you to go find or see Dr. Wu
Yeah.
specifically?
So my friend knew I dealt with this, for a while. And, when I was 50, she knew that I went to go see a doctor, a hand specialist, because I wanted to see what I could do for my hands because it really affected my hands
Oh, wow.
the most.
Yeah.
And, I do everything with my hands. I'm hands on. And I was like, oh, I don't want this to really mess me up for the future. So I went to a hand specialist and he took x-rays and I remember sitting there in the office with him and I said, well, what can we do? And he's like, nothing.
Oh my
And,
goodness.
and
Yeah.
then he sat there and I was like, what do you mean nothing? Like, what's the plan? Like, and he's like, there's nothing you can do when the
Yeah.
pain gets really bad. You can consider joint replacement, steroids, or cortisone. And I thought, well,
Lovely
that's not,
choices, by the way, right?
yeah,
Uh-huh.
it's not
Yeah.
no. And
Yeah.
so my friend, she mentioned, I'm going to this Chinese medical doctor
Right.
in West Hartford. His name is Dr. Wu. I've been doing Qigong with him as well. And I'm like, what's Qigong?
Right.
And she's like, he's made such a difference. And I could tell because we were good friends. She looked a little more relaxed.
Mhm.
And so I said, okay, I made an appointment. And the appointment was for December 26th, a year and a half ago. And if anyone that knows me knows I don't do anything on December 26th.
The
That
day
is my
after.
national
Yeah.
holiday. And Dr. Wu wanted to see me at 9 in the morning. And I
Oh,
thought,
wow.
that's a sign.
Yeah. He was
Sign.
dedicated, right? I mean, he was dedicated to seeing you and making sure it was taken care
Yeah.
of. Yeah.